This video is sponsored by my favorite website creator, Squarespace, the best place to go when you want to get a domain or create a gorgeous website or an online store. Favorites, yes, here are some of my all-time favorite summer things, from tasty treats to music to all the aesthetics, of course. Let's get in some serious summer mood. Fresh salads for lunch outdoors somewhere. What could be more summery? My go-to summer salad has a combination of 5, maybe a little bit weird ingredients, but hear me out. Basil, melon, capers, sour green apples, and pickles. Okay, it might sound a little bit extra, but don't diss it till you try it. It's the freshest, crunchiest combo imaginable. Recommend? Recommend. I got these gorgeous face palettes from Planet Revolution this winter and I have been using them every day since. Highlighter, bronzer, blush and eyeshadow all in one. I mean, the packaging is gorgeous and it's made out of paper, so super sustainable. But not only that, the product sits so beautifully on your face, especially for that sun-kissed, glowy, summery look, you know, the highlighter that shines when it catches sunlight. Well, if you're looking for vegan, clean, sustainable, super efficient products, I couldn't recommend Planet Revolution more. Okay, every summer I tell you guys to read Bonjour, Tristesse by francoise Sagan, and you wouldn't believe the amount of DMs I get from you telling me how much you loved it and how it's just the perfect summer mood. Well, have I told you there's a movie version? It's from 1958, can you believe it? And it's so well cast and so stylish, and I kind of just want to live in that movie. So if you love the book, make yourself an icy drink and spend an afternoon on the Côte d'Azur. Also, fun fact, the house that they shot the movie in is actually available to rent. One day, David and I will for sure go there to spend a week swimming and writing and eating salads with apples and pickles. Can you imagine the glamour? Actually, I should totally tell David to shoot the Bonjour Tristesse house for his home tour vacation rental channel. I'm sure we'd all love to watch a tour of that place, wouldn't we? Another summer obsession, grapefruit mimosa. The sour bitterness, the gorgeous color, the refreshing taste. Oh man, I don't think there's a better summer drink out there. And especially if you want a low alcohol cocktail, just upping the juice percentage and lowering the bubbly. Actually, sometimes I also just add sparkling water if I want all the luxury of mimosa with very little alcohol. Very fresh indeed. White linen shirts, white swimwear, white flowy trousers, and all the gold jewelry. Is there a more quintessential summer look? Chunky gold is the perfect combination to tanned skin, or as in my case, pinkish skin with a couple of freckles. I mean, I'm always crazy about chunky gold jewelry, but come summer, it's more or less mandatory. Let's talk about music. I have one artist that I would probably put in my top 10 favorite ever musicians list, and that I just have to listen to every summer, and it's Nick Drake. The simplicity of the melodies, his extremely chill voice, the lyrics, man, it's just the perfect summer companion when you're playing card games on the lake or cooking dinner with a glass of wine. Recommend, recommend. Growing up in Sweden, nothing said summer school break as much as eating vanilla softserve to the sound of seagulls. I am a total softserve maniac. I can eat buckets of it. And besides from the classic vanilla, my obsession ever since moving back to London is matcha softserve. David and I spend most of our weekends just walking around the city, and nothing fits better in your hand on a warm summer day than a matcha softserve. David can't stand it, so he goes for over-the-top chocolate, biscuit, cookie dough, salted caramel monstrosities. But for me, if I had to choose one thing that most says summer to me, it would be softserve. What about you? Any summer classic flavors or foods or drinks that you just have to have every summer? Talk in the comments. Okay, those were my summer obsessions, but what about you? Hit me with all your heatwave favorites in the comments. And be a doll and give me a little like if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and to our house tour channel too, link in the description. Do you want to create a beautiful site, maybe start your own food blog? If so, you should definitely do it with Squarespace. They have great blogging tools to share your stories, photos and videos to make it easy to reach your audience. You can also auto-post your content to Twitter, Facebook or Tumblr, and simply schedule your posts for them to be properly tagged, and the descriptions and titles will show up correctly. You can of course add your social media accounts to your site so that it's easy for your readers to find you everywhere. Squarespace also have great traffic analytics so that you can see how many people are visiting your site and how long they're staying for and where they're coming from and what they're interested in, like food or fashion or maybe minimalism, for example. So what are you waiting for? Go get your free trial today at squarespace.com, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/jennymustard to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Lots of love, puss puss, and hej då!